He's getting there now. There you go. You hit him. He's fixing to go down. You can shoot that one if you want to, yeah. That's good. Or shoulder or the ear, either one. Which shoulder's probably better. Watch the mothers, see if they stop. If one of them stops, try to shoot it. See that one that's limping?
Yeah.
Shoot it. Yeah, you missed. You did good on that one though. No, you hit him good. He's down for the count. Good job. Look at that steam still coming off of him. When he quits kicking, we'll set him up. Take some pictures. That's your first pig, ain't it?
Yep.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Your brothers got to kill one for you. They made you wait last, didn't they?
Yeah.
Congratulations, Shelby. That's your first hog, ain't it?
Yep.
Yep. She told me I was giving her a hard time about possibly missing, and she told me she never misses. And so she's 1 for 1 so far. I think we're going to have to put her on a second one to see if she misses that one. But she did a good job. We used Pulsar Helion to spot and stalk, and she's shooting a 6.8 SPC with the Armasight Zeus on top of it. As always, we're using Stealth Pod X shooting sticks. So, how you like it?
I like it a lot.
Like it a lot. Want to go kill another one?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alamo Precision Rifles. The best rifles this side of the Pecos. APRifles.com. Hornady. Accurate, deadly, dependable. Pink's Paint and Body. Decatur, Texas. Mallory Orthodontics. MalloryOrtho.com. 2K Pawn and Gun. Decatur, Texas. Carrillo and Tibbles, Attorney at Law.